Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. You can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. So hi friends, so today we are going to continue today's topic, that is information technology for class 10 code 402 under NSQF. So what will we study today? So today we are going to study introduction to the databases. हम लोगों ने इसके कुछ contents जो थे कुछ प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में देखे थे, जैसे कि इंट्रोडक्शन टू इट, देन डेटाबेस फंक्शनिंग, हाउ डेटाबेस वर्क्स, देन एडवांटेजेस ऑफ databases, then tables and queries also. So now we are going to see the next point, it is what are the forms and reports. So देखिए फॉर्म क्या होता है. जनरली a form is an interface in user defined or user specified layout that lets the users view, enter, change data directly in the table. So to easily view, enter and change the data directly in a table, you can create a form. So whenever you open the MS Access, it retrieves the data from one or more tables and displays it on the screen with the layout which is specified by. So that is nothing but the form. So what we can write about the forms? So to easily view, enter and change data directly in a table, you can create a form. So when you open a form, access की जगह मैं लिखती हूँ MS Access, retrieves the data from one or more tables and displays it on the screen with the layout which is specified by you. So these are nothing but the forms. It is an interface which is user specified, layout that lets user view, then enter and change data directly into the tables. So forms के बाद next जो point आता है, that is the reports. So the report is an effective and efficient way to represent the data in a printed format. So what we can say about reports? It is a formal, presentable, printed document that lists data in a formatted manner. So to analyze your data or present it in a certain way in print, you can create a report. So for example, you might print one report that groups data and calculates totals, and another report with a different data formatted for printing the mailing labels. So what we can say about the reports here? So to analyze your data or present it in a certain way in print, you can create a report. So for example, what we can say about report? You might print one report that groups data and calculates totals, and another report with different data which is formatted for what we can say, printing mailing labels. So here what we can say, the tables display many records at the same time, but you may have to scroll to see a whole record, and you can't update the data from more than one table at the same time. But you can do this in forms and reports easily. देखिए यहाँ पर the tables are going to do, the tables display many records at the same time, but you may have to scroll to see a whole record. अगर आपको पूरा record देखना है tables का तो आपको scroll करना पड़ेगा, and you can't update the data from more than one table at the same time. अगर एट अ टाइम आपको मोर देन वन टेबल का रिकॉर्ड जो है वो अपडेट करना है, बट यू कैन नॉट डू दिस विथ दी what we can say simple tables, but you can do this in the forms and reports easy. So in this way you can going to use a report. So we can say about report, what a report is an effective way to represent data in a printed format, and it is a formal presentable printed document that lists data in a formatted manner. Now let us see the next part after the report, that is designing a database. Database को design कैसे करते हैं वो देखते हैं. So before we use actual MS Access and start to actually bind and build the tables, forms and other objects that will make up your databases, that is including the reports also. So it is important to take time to design your database. पहले आपको आपका database जो है वो design करके लेना चाहिए. Then this is because good database design is the keystone to creating a database that does what you want to it to do effectively, accurately and efficiently. That's why we are going to see some of the steps to design a database. So अभी database design के लिए हम लोग कुछ steps देखने वाले हैं. So we will go to see these steps one by one. So first one is determine the purpose of your database. पहले आपको आपके database का purpose जो है वो determine करके लेना चाहिए. That is why you need the database. The first step in designing a database is to determine its purpose and how it is to be used. उसको purpose determine कीजिए, उसको use कैसे करना है वो भी determine करके लीजिए. So you need to know what information you want from database. आपको database से कौन सी information चाहिए, you need to do that. So from that you can determine what subjects you need to store facts about. That is the tables are there, and what subjects you need to store about the each subject. That is the fields in the tables. आपको उसे टेबल पता चलेंगे और टेबल के साथ साथ फील्ड्स जो है वो भी पता चलेंगे. देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज आपने एक बार आपके डेटाबेस का पर्पस जो है वो डिटरमाइन करके ले लिया, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज डिटरमाइन द टेबल्स यू नीड. आपको टेबल्स कौन सी जरूरत पड़ेगी वो डिटरमाइन करके लीजिए. दैट इज डिटरमाइनिंग द टेबल्स कैन बी द trickiest steps in the database design process. That is because the results you want from your database, the reports you want to print and the forms you want to use, the questions you want answered, don't necessarily provide the clues about the structure of the tables that produce. That's why it is necessary to determine the tables which are units. So you don't need to design your tables using the DBMS. So in fact, it may be better to sketch out and rework your design on the paper first and then actually go for the databases. So when you design your tables, आप लोग जब कभी भी आपके टेबल को डिजाइन करोगे, सो डिवाइड अप द पीसेस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन बाय कीपिंग द फंडामेंटल डिजाइन प्रिंसिपल्स इन माइंड. सो कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स आपको माइंड में रखने पड़ेंगे. फर्स्ट इज अ टेबल शुड नॉट कंटेन डुप्लीकेट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड एन इंफॉर्मेशन शुड नॉट बी डुप्लीकेटेड बिटवीन द टेबल्स. देखिए इसको कैसे हम लोग डिफाइन करेंगे. designing a database. So first step कौन सी थी designing a database में? We have seen determine the purpose of your database. Database का क्या purpose है वो पहले find out कीजिए. Then second one is determine the tables you need. So before determining the tables you need, follow some fundamental rules. So first one is a table should not contain duplicate information. And information should not be duplicated between the tables. So in this respect, a table in a relational database differs from a table in a flat file application such as spreadsheet or MS Excel, what we are going to see. So when each piece of information which you are going to store in the database, it will be only in one table and you update it in only one place at a time. So this is more efficient and obviously it also eliminates the possibility of the duplicate entries that contain the different information. For example, if you want to store each customer address and a phone number only one place, in one table will be there. So then next fundamental rule is, so each table should contain information about one subject. So each table should contain information about one subject. That is, when each table contains facts about only one subject, then you can maintain information about each subject independently from the other subjects. So for example, you would store the customer addresses in a different table from the customer's orders, so that you could delete one order and still maintain the customer information. So in this way you can store, each table should contain information about the one subject. So here the next step is, that is, determine the field or fields with unique values in each record. And उसके पहले हमको क्या देखना, determine the fields that you need. So each table contains the information about the same subject, and each field in a table contains individual facts about the table subject. So for example, a customer table may include the company name, then address, city or state, and phone numbers fields. So when sketching out the details for each table, tips must be there in your mind, that is, relate each field directly to the subject of the table. Then don't include the derived or calculated data, that is data that is result of an expression. Then include all the information which you need. Then store the information in its smallest logical form. For example, first name, last name, rather than the name. That is, determine the fields that you need. Then next point is identify the field or fields with unique values in each record. So in order to what we can say, in order for a DBMS to connect information which is stored in separate tables, for example, to connect a customer with all customers orders, each table in your database must include a field or set of fields that uniquely identifies each individual record in the table, and such a field or set of fields is called as the primary key. Obviously we have seen what is primary key in previous lectures. So in this way, identify unique values in each record. Then next one is determine the relationships between the tables. So now that you have divided your information into the tables and identified the primary keys also, primary key fields here also. So you need all a way to tell DBMS how to bring related information back together again in a meaningful phase. So to do this, you need to set up relationships among the tables. So the relationships can be set on the basis of the common fields in tables. So एक बार आप लोगों ने टेबल डिफाइन कर लिए, उसमें के प्राइमरी कीज जो है वो डिफाइन कर लिए. Then the next thing what you have to do, you have to define the relationships between the tables which are available. Then the next step is refine your design. So after you have designed your tables, fields and relationships, you need its time to study the design and detect any flaws that might remain. So it is easier to change your database design now than it will be after you have filled the tables with data. So it is a good way to refine your design. The last step is that is enter data and create other database objects. Yes, obviously it is last step. That is when you are satisfied that the table structures and it is going to meet the design principles which we have described and which we have studied earlier. So then it's time to go ahead and add all your existing data to the tables. अभी आपका काम क्या करना है? You have to add the existing data to the tables. So you can create any queries, forms, reports and data access pages that you may want. एक बार आप लोगों ने पूरी डेटाबेस का डिजाइन करके लिया तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या रहेगी आपकी? You have to enter the data and create other database objects there. So in this way you can design your database. So देखिए हम लोगों ने how to design a database, we have seen this step by step. First step आपकी क्या रहेगी? Determine the purpose of your database. आपके database का purpose क्या है वो देखिए. Then determine the tables which you need. आपको कौन से tables की जरूरत पड़ेगी वो आप लोग देख लीजिए. Then determine the fields which you need. आपको कौन से table के कौन से fields की जरूरत पड़ेगी वो देख लीजिए. Then identify the field or fields with unique values in each record. यूनिक वैल्यूज जो है प्राइमरी वैल्यूज वो आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए. देन डिटरमाइन द रिलेशनशिप्स बिटवीन द टेबल्स. देन रिफाइन योर डिजाइन एंड लास्टली एंटर डेटा एंड क्रिएट अदर डेटाबेस objects. So in this way you can design your database. So friends, the book which I have referred for today's lecture is Information Technology by Sumita Rao for class 10. So we have seen in this whole database introduction to databases, that is introduction, database functioning कैसे करते हैं, how database works, then advantages of databases, then tables, queries, forms and reports. So friends, let us now start with today's actual quiz. I hope you understood the database and we are going to see more details on the database in upcoming lectures. So now start with the quiz session. सो फ्रेंड्स चलिए आज का क्विज हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो टुडेज आईटी क्विज, आज के क्विज में टोटल 20 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर. And each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started. So here is question number 1 on your screen. A company should have at least dash exit routes for proper evacuation during an emergency. Your options are A1, B2, C4 and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is B2. देखिए कंपनी के पास एटलीस्ट 2 एग्जिट रूट्स होने चाहिए फॉर प्रॉपर इवैक्यूएशन ड्यूरिंग एन emergency. So here is the question number 2 on your screen. If you need to call 100, that is 100 or 112 in an emergency, what should you tell the dispatcher? First one, A, describe the emergency. B, give exact address of emergency. C, give your name and telephone number of the phone you are using. And D, all of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is B. Give exact address of emergency. देखिए if you are going to describe the emergency, you are going to give your number and telephone number. It will be the wastage of time, and in emergency, each and every minute and second is important. So correct answer is आपको क्या करना है? Give the exact address of the emergency. Then question number 3 is on your screen. The employer or the company is responsible for administrating and managing workplace safety steps. True or false? Your time starts now. टाइम अप. यस, एक कंपनी की यानी कि एक एम्प्लॉय की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो वर्क प्लेस सेफ्टी स्टेप्स जो है प्रॉपरली मैनेज करे. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, ट्रू. Then question number 4 is here on your screen. Which of the following should be included at your home for first aid kit? Options are A, hydrogen peroxide, B, aspirin, C, calamine solution, lotion, and lastly all of the above. So your time starts now. टाइम अप. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. जो यहाँ आपके फर्स्ट एड किट में जो घर पर आप लोग फर्स्ट एड किट यूज करते हैं, यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, एस्पिरिन और कैलेमाइन लोशन, ये तीन चीजें होनी चाहिए. Then we will move towards the next question, that is question number 5. Bhopal gas tragedy was happened due to lack of safety measures. True or false? Your correct answer waiting and time started. Yes, it is correct that Bhopal gas tragedy was happened due to lack of safety measures. बहुत ही बड़ा हादसा था ये. वहाँ पर near about 15,000 to 20,000 animals and human beings were suffered from this, and the death rate was also very high. So it was happened due to the lack of safety measures. Then question number 6, that is, it is okay to keep one password for all your accounts. So answers are A true, B false. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B false. That is, it is not okay to keep one password for all your accounts. That is, if one account is getting hacked, then your all password will be there to hackers. Then question number 7, that is, we should prefer private browsing mode. True or false? Your time starts now. So it is true that we should prefer private browsing modes to have the safety features. Then the question number 8, antiviruses help you to get rid of viruses. True or false? Yes, obviously it is true that antiviruses helps you to get rid of viruses. Then the question number 9 is on your screen. The act of buying an item online is called as A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. The act of buying an item online is called as A. E-shopping. Then we will move towards the next question. A person who writes a blog is called as A. Blog, B. Blogger, C. Blogging, and D. Blogosphere. So your time starts now. A person who writes a blog is called as the blogger. B. Blogger is the correct answer. And question number 11 is here on screen. Out of the following, which is or are the components of an email? A. Username, B. Domain, C. @ and D. All of the above. So your time starts now. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। जी हाँ, ये सारे कंपोनेंट के सिवाय, जब 3 कंपोनेंट्स के सिवाय ईमेल आईडी कंप्लीट होता ही नहीं है। दैट इज यूजर नेम इज कंपल्सरी, डोमेन नेम इज कंपल्सरी एंड एट द रेट इज कंपल्सरी। दैट इज फॉर्मेट इज यूजर नेम एट द रेट डोमेन नेम. So all of these components are necessary for email. Then question number 12 is here on this scale. What are the types of wireless connection? A, Wi-Fi, B, WiMAX, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. So both Wi-Fi and WiMAX are the types of wireless connection. So correct option is C, both A and B. Then the question number 13 is here on screen. Wi-Fi hotspots are totally secure to use. True or false? Your time starts now. Obviously, the correct answer is B, false. Wi-Fi hotspots are not secure to use. The next question is, that is, wireless router doesn't require ISP. True or false? Your time starts now. It is obviously false that wireless routers doesn't require ISP. It requires actually ISP. The next question is, what is DSL? A is digital system line, B digital subscriber line, C differential system line link, and D none of the above. So your time starts now. सो DSL स्टैंड्स फॉर बी डिजिटल सब्सक्राइबर लाइन, जो कि इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी के लिए यूज की जाती है. Then next one is question number 16. What is ISP? Options are A. Internet System Provider, B. Internet Service Provider, C. Instant Services Provider, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is ISP is B. Internet Service Provider, जो कि इंटरनेट सर्विसेज के लिए यूज किया जाता है. So question number 70 is here on your screen. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. HTTPS, and D. Any of these. Your time starts now. So the correct answer for entering personal and financial information for online transaction, a URL must begin with C. HTTPS, that is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So the question number 18 is on your screen. What is IM? A. Instant mailing, B. Immediate messaging, C. Instant messaging, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. सो देखिए, व्हाट इज आई मीन्स इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग. जैसे कि आप लोग ऑनलाइन चैटिंग वगैरह करते हो, सो उसको इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग कहा जाता है. लेकिन जैसे कि फेसबुक है, इंस्टाग्राम है, ट्विटर है, देन गूगल हैंगआउट्स आर देयर. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग. दैट इज live and real time chatting is nothing but that instant message. So the next question number 19 is here on your screen. Use of caps lock in chatting should be avoided as it is considered equivalent to A. Singing, B. Shouting, C. Threatening, and D. Complaining. So your time starts now. So use of caps lock in chatting should be avoided as it is considered equivalent to shouting. ठीक है, जैसे कि caps lock आप लोग chatting में यूज करते हो, so उसको shouting की तरह चिल्लाने की तरह consider किया जाएगा. So that's why it should be avoided as it is considered to and equivalent to the shouting. उसको थोड़ा सा arrogant भी कहा जाएगा. Then the next question, that is question number 20, is on your screen. The act of buying or reserving tickets online is called as dash. Your options are A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. both A and B, and lastly D. none of the above. So your time starts now. So the act of buying or reserving tickets online is called as per the name, e-ticketing. So e-shopping में हम लोग देखा you can buy items online, that is purchase goods online, and you can reserve the tickets online using the e-tickets. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in the next session with new topic. Till then, bye. So the next feature for the plus and iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for plus and iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas, and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's start. So friends, Unacademy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. देखिए दोस्तों, अनअकैडमी हर बार कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है. सो इस बार जी हाँ, आप लोगों को जैसे कि पता होगा, you are having the last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription. So this offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2020. म्हणजे हाँ, हमारी क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन की जो चांस है इट इज गोइंग टू एंड. सो देखिए ऑफर्स कैसे हैं. देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरेशन, लाइक अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन 12, 15 यानी 8 मंथ्स का है क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का, then you will get that is a free Creative Corner subscription for 2 months. So whether it is plus or iconic based on your subscription. Then अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है 24, 36 and 48 months का, so you will get the free Creative Corner subscription for 4 months. जी हाँ, 4 महीनों के लिए आपको फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. सो ये अगर आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपको प्लस का मिलेगा. अगर आपका आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपका क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दी, अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है फॉर 60, 72 एंड 84 मंथ्स का, इधर फॉर द प्लस और इधर फॉर द आइकॉनिक. सो आपको क्या रहेगा, फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा पूरे 6 महीने के लिए. दैट इज टोटली फ्री. प्लस का है तो प्लस का मिलेगा एंड आइकॉनिक का है तो आपको आइकॉनिक का 6 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है टोटली फ्री मिलेगा. सो हरी अप, इट इज लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम ऑफर एंड यू कैन यूज माय कोड that is given here, that is TD Live, to get the free subscription also for the Creative Corner. So this is your last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription and the offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. So choice is yours. So with Unacademy subscription, you will get with one subscription comes the great benefits like you will get the unlimited access to 7 subjects. 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा एंड यू विल गेट द इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम. ऑब्वियसली आपको पूरा सिलेबस मिलेगा. यू विल गेट द फुल सिलेबस फॉर NCERT and as well as dedicated plus courses. And yes, obviously without Unacademy subscription you will be having a lot of confusion. So jaldi kijiye students, choice is after all yours. So subscribe now before it is too late. So the next exams are I think just 2 months, right? So you can get the 10% discount on using the educator referral code. So please use my educator referral code, that is TD Live, so to get the 10% discount. So jaldi kijiye, hurry up, the time is getting over. So friends, we are having the mega launch every Mondays, as you know. So here we are having the Laksh Foundation batch for IIT and JEE aspirants. So ये बैच किसी लिए है, देखिए फॉर CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए भी है एंड CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए. एंड यस, पहले हम लोग देखते हैं CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए. इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of the August 2021. 31st August को ये बैच स्टार्ट होगी and we are having the subjects like maths and science with the expert teachers. Yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises also. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप लोग IIT JEE के एस्पिरेंट्स हो फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th, सो यहाँ पर भी आपकी जो लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच है वो 31 अगस्त 2021 को स्टार्ट हो रही है. सो वी आर हैविंग द स्पेशल स्ट्रेचेस फॉर द मैथ्स एज वेल एज द साइंस. तो देखिए मैथ्स की जो डेट है वो 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट होती है एंड साइंस इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31 अगस्त 2021. सो वैसे ही CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए IIT JEE एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक और CBSE क्लास 10 की बैच रहेगी, दैट इज लक्स फाउंडेशन बैच. It is for maths it is going to start on 17th of September 2021 and for science it is going to start on 31st of August 2021. So yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing sessions and NCERT exercises. So students जो अभी से class 9th and 10th के IIT and JEE के लिए interested हैं, they are having the golden chance for it. And yes, you can use my code that is TD Live for flat 10% off discount. So देख किस बात की है students, join our new Laksh Foundation batches. So friends, let me tell you about the basic about the plus subscription and also the advanced plan of the basic, that is iconic जो है ये plus का जो है advanced version रहेगा. देखिए plus में जो you are going to have the basic plan to get started. And yes, obviously at Iconic, you can take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए प्लस के फीचर्स क्या क्या है. यू आर हैविंग द इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स एज वेल एज द इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस, देन स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड PDFs also. एंड इन आइकॉनिक में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ आइकॉनिक में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड PDFs also. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकॉनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स, यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, लाइव इंटरेक्शन विथ योर मेंटर्स ऑल्सो, एंड यस ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट कनेक्ट भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, दैट इज टीचर पेरेंट कनेक्शन रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकॉनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी प्लानर जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड दैट इज TDLive फॉर फ्लैट 10% of discount for both, that is on the plus and iconic solutions. You can select the plus or iconic based on your choices. So उसके plans कैसे हैं देखिए. अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th, 11th, 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 for the 3 months, that is 2,500 for per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now if you are going for the 24 month subscription then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months, that is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. If you are going for the 48 month subscription उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा एंड 830 will be for per month. देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. सो वैसे क्लास का 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए the same case for 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 and 40 months. देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा with 4,000 per month. Then next one is 6 months, 17,000 रहेगा with 2,833 per month. Then 12 months का रहेगा 28,000. Then 15 months का रहेगा 32,000. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000. 24 मंथ्स का रहेगा 48,000, 36 मंथ्स का रहेगा 66,000 एंड 48 मंथ्स का रहेगा 83,000, दैट इज 1,729 पर मंथ। सो वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10th 11th और 12th का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए। 3 मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए, 6 मंथ का रहेगा 10,000 के लिए, 12 मंथ्स का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए, 15 मंथ्स का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए, देन 18 मंथ्स का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए एंड 24 मंथ्स का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए, एंड लास्टली 36 मंथ का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा। And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000, then 6 months का 17,000, 12 months का 28,000, 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month, 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए। ऑब्वियसली वैसे ही क्या रहेगा, 36 मंथ का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, that is 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TDLive, for flat 10% off discount. So students, जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन that is based on your that is plus और iconic, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए। सो फ्रेंड्स, हर बार की तरह इस बार भी अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैट ला रही है। जी हाँ, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप ट्रस्ट वंस अगेन, अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैट। सो इस बार you can win the scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. So link is given in the description box. So obviously this Unacademy Mega Compact is on every Sunday and you can use my code, that is TDLive for the educator referral bonus. So देखिए, Unacademy Mega Compact बहुत से आप स्टूडेंट्स ने दिए होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं दिए होंगे. So let me tell you about that. So Unacademy Mega Combat Scholarship Tips, that it is formula for your success in CBSE classes 9 and 10. You can win one scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. देखिए लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जो लिए थे बैचेस उसके 1 करोड़ के थे. So now we are having the 2 crore scholarship offers. So आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ you can win the prizes also. And these mega combat scholarship tests are for CBSE classes 9th and class 10. So date लिख लीजिए. The upcoming mega compact is on August 29th, 2021 at 11 AM. So enroll online, लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे चुके हैं हम लोग पहले से ही. So उसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा. You will be having 30 questions and 45 minutes for that. These questions and you are having the 45 minutes to solve this. The test will be obviously available in Hindi as well as English language. Both languages में आपको टेस्ट अवेलेबल रहेगी, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी. And test will be live. It will be the free live test on your Android application. So जल्दी कीजिए and enroll now for Unacademy Mega Compact. Date लिख लीजिए August 29 at 11 AM. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code, that is TDLive, for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10%. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. Try its all of the features for free using my code, that is TDLive. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Unacademy, let's crack it.